And congratulations on making it to day 5. You've done such a great job making it to this point and showing up for yourself day after day. And this is only the beginning. So maybe you've started to notice some of these benefits during different times in your day and in your week to this point. And just know that this is the beginning of a practice that can continue to grow and strengthen over a lifetime. Every time our mind wanders, it's another opportunity to practice. So we've got plenty of chances, but this commitment sets a great foundation. So find a space that feels safe and supportive for you as we get started. So you can choose if you want to be seated or lying down. And we will begin as we always do. So start by focusing on where your body meets the ground. And you can allow your eyes to remain open as you take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Now gently rest your eyes and check in as you scan the body from head to toe. And just notice how the body is feeling without judgment. And then observe where in the body you feel the breath. And this may be different every day, every moment. Just observe it. And then place your awareness on that point as the breath flows in and out. And as you get really familiar with the breath, try to count to 10 breaths. And each time a sound or a thought or a feeling pulls you away, just notice that your attention has drifted. And with kindness and compassion, not judgment, redirect your awareness back to the breath and begin again at 1. Each time you catch the mind wandering, simply notice it. And kindly bring your attention back to the breath. And begin again at 1. if a thought has pulled you away, you have the ability to choose not to get caught up in it, but to instead observe it and draw your awareness back to the present moment by focusing on the breath and beginning again at 1. If your attention has drifted or you've made it to 10, observe it equally without judgment. And bring your awareness back to the breath and begin again at 1. Now release any control over the mind. If the mind wants to wander, let it wander. Or allow it to be still, simply let the mind do what it chooses. Bring your awareness back to the body where it meets the floor. And again, scan your body from head to toe and simply notice the sensations present. And without judgment, observe if it's any different from when we began. Taking a moment to feel immensely grateful and proud of yourself for showing up and making it through all 5 days. To carry this way of being, this mindful trait, with you as you move through whatever obstacles come your way. Every breath is an opportunity to begin again and ground in the present moment, strengthening our ability to choose how we want to respond to things that happen in life instead of constantly reacting, to strengthen our focus and awareness and attention to enjoy the life that's in front of you. You can carry this appreciation with you as you slowly open your eyes and return to the space. Again, I'm so proud of you for making it to this point. And you've set a strong foundation to carry a mindfulness practice that can support you for a lifetime. So I hope that I get to practice with you again soon, and that you find little ways to integrate moments of mindfulness into your day and into your life, so that you can feel present and ready to be with whatever comes your way. Thank you so much, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon.